shirts that we need to have. We're gonna have the color that we did that in pattern making one, construction one, but like some of you were not with me, we're gonna start with the color. We're gonna do the we have the front and the back. Remember, in the back, this is a fitted shirt. In the back, you have darts, and you have a dart also in the front, on the both sides. So we have the sleeve, the front, the back, and we have the yoke that we're having this for the first time. I'm gonna show you how to connect the yoke here together. We have the cuff, and I cut right here, I guess. I have it in my hand right now. I know what. Yeah. I cut this on the bias because I'm gonna show you how to do the placket on the bias. For women's wear, this is good. For men wear, it's a different process. But like I said, I will show you men's wear next time how to do the placket. But with women's wear, it's good to have the bias. It's easy, it's faster, it looks pretty. So anyway, you don't want to look that masculine on the shirt, okay? So what I'm gonna start with the collar, and you know the collar has two pieces that you're gonna sew them. This is the collar and this is the stand. It's two different pieces. So I'm gonna start with the right side of the fabric facing the right side of the fabric. I use this fabric that she brought because it's going to make it more interesting. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna sew 1/2 inch all the way around, and this is cool because this one doesn't have the guide here, which is wrong. But anyway, I don't know why Jack picked this one because this is gonna be problematic for him. So I'm gonna come to the edge and I'm gonna turn around. Following the 1/2 inch. So well. So the only thing that I am doing is sewing my collar together. And you can do that very fast. No big deal. This is something that you should know by now. I don't know all of you, but it's simple. The only thing that you have to remember when you're getting to the tip, just do it slowly. Keep it down the needle, lift the foot with your knee, and then continue sewing that. The way to the edge down. Back stitch. Why we don't close the whole collar? Because we need to turn it inside out, of course.
That's stitching, right?
Huh?
It's not through the top.
Yeah. It's stitching. It's a stitching.
Okay.
Yeah. You're doing a look.
Okay.
I noticed that, but I didn't want to go back to everything. So the secret to have a very nice tip is to eliminate the extra fabric here. So you're gonna cut an angle here without cutting your seam, of course. You're going to cut a tip on the opposite direction. We're gonna do that. And now we're gonna turn the right side, the collar. You should use interfacing too if you want to have a nice color. So we're gonna push with a tip to have a beautiful pointy color. This is the thing, and it's your decision based on your design. Some people do top stitch, some people don't. Some people keep it simple, but I'm gonna do the top stitch on the shirt right here when I finish getting the point out here. So here I have my collar. I should go and press it, because this is a problem when you're sewing. You should press at the same time that you are. Here we have. Gonna stitch on top of this, 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so I'm gonna stitch here. And right there, I'm gonna turn around and keep going. Keep very well open this. So what I'm doing is assembling my collar. Okay, it shouldn't take you a long time to do that. Keeping this flat. Like I said, in construction, what matters is the quality of the finishes, but it doesn't matter the methodology, how you get what you want. You will develop your own method of doing things in a more efficient way, and that happens only with practice. You have to practice every day in order to get this master. So here I have, I don't need to backstitch. So this is the color, okay? So now we are ready to do the stand. So for the stand, the stand is going to sandwich with the color. So we have the fabric of the stand facing me, facing you, and then we're gonna connect the color in the opposite, right here, where the curves are. They have notches also for the center. You have a middle notch, but we're gonna do it now. No big deal. You have the two here for that, or the shoulder trim. And it's recommended that you have that middle notch to match everything together. So you should do the middle notch. So what you need is the stand. The curve is going to the I don't know how to call it. The one curve going down is going to the top, and then we're gonna put this, the notch that we have in the center with the notch in the center here, notch with notch. See here, I try, but it doesn't work here. So I'm gonna put my color right there. Notch with notch. You should use pins. I'm not going to use pins, but you should use pins. And then look what I'm doing. Right side of the fabric, the color, and now the new piece is going on top of that one, but facing the right side to the color right there. We're gonna create like a sandwich kind of situation here. And again, the notch with the notch, And I'm gonna start sewing from the middle to the side and from this middle to the other side. So this is the best way of doing it because you are keeping the center on the right place. So we're gonna start right here. Put this here to here. We're gonna make all the edges fit together. And sew in a half an inch. All the notches should match here too. This is the shoulder notch. And then I'll carry on here. When you're sewing curve, you need to go into the position of the curve, stop, and make all the edges go together again. The edge. And you're going to back stitch right there. Why are we doing that? Because we're going to connect this into the curve. Now I'm gonna go on the opposite direction from the center again to the tip. I'm gonna start right here. Okay. That's too much. And remember, you have to stop half an inch before the edge, which will be right there. If possible, this will be short because like I don't have the marker there for the half an inch, and I think that I went a little bit out there. We'll see. So what I got now, you can do some snip here. And same on the other side. So when you turn it, it's going to allow you to do a beautiful curve right here. So we should go and press it. Who want to press it for me?
I'll do it.
Okay. Press it like that perfectly. Flat, keep the curve.